Hello, I'm Justin from HostJars, and I'm just going to take you through developing a module for OpenCart. And you'll see I've got the documentation open at duck.hostjars.com. It's a really good place to start, and it shows the basic structure of a module. And I'm just going to take you through creating the same sort of functionality as the category module in OpenCart, but it's going to display manufacturers instead of categories. So to start with, the easiest way to make an OpenCart module is to find something similar and just slightly adapt it. We're going to start by working in the admin part of the site, and we're going to start with the category module, which is pretty similar already. So I'm just going to copy all the category files, starting with the controller. Being a bit slow. The language file. There's no model for this module, so just the view. So the first thing, the easiest thing, is to change the category module. First you just change the name, and then we'll just change every instance of category for manufacturer. And that's that. For controller, the first thing you need to do is change the name of the controller. That should match the name of the file, and then tell it to use the manufacturer language file. It's best to do this manually rather than all at once, because you just never know what you're doing if you're doing it all at once. That's just the breadcrumbs being changed, and change the name of it to store in the settings database as manufacturer, otherwise it will overwrite the category stuff. And set it to use the category, the manufacturer template file that we just copied. And that's that. And then for the template will largely be the same, apart from this, the layout stuff will go from category underscore module to manufacturer underscore module. So it's pretty safe to change that with a global find and replace. So that's done. Quick check. All looking good. So we save that, and that's the back end done. So we should be able to go to that store now and see all the admin side of that working. So here it is, our new manufacturer module. You can edit it, you can add it to different locations on the site. We've got it here enabled on the top of the home page. and all working as expected. So now the front end side of things, and close these. All these folder structures are all described here are the in the documentation, and also a quick summary of how all these different files work together. It's useful to look at if this is your first time developing for OpenCart. So the front end files, the controller file again, controller module. We'll start with the category. The language file. No model in the front end either, and we'll just get the view. So the easiest one to change again is the language file, so I'll just change categories to manufacturers. Save that. The template's a lot simpler. We can change this loop to be manufacturers. Right, it's just cosmetic really. A few things are different in here. Rather than checking for the active, we'll just print out the current manufacturer, and because manufacturers have no children, we can delete all the children code. And we can change the rest of the categories to manufacturers. And that's the template file done. Now for the controller, same sort of changes again. We need to change this to manufacturer, the name of the class. Instead of using the category language file, we're using the manufacturer now. No path related stuff, so we can delete that. We're not looking for the active manufacturer, so we'll delete that. No children. Model, we'll be using the manufacturer model. We'll just change that out for the catalog / manufacturer. We won't be needing the product. That's usually used to display the count of products within a manufacturer or a category, but we won't be showing that. So I'll just remove that. This data categories becomes this data manufacturers. That's what we'll be looping over in the front end file. And we'll be using the manufacturer model and get manufacturers. Oopsie daisies. Just change that for more logical naming. Manufacturers. Okay, so we've got no children. delete all that. Delete that. It's not relevant to the manufacturers. And then change this. And children, href and name is all we really need, but we'll keep the manufacturer ID in there. We're not using product count, so we'll just get the name, and we'll change this to manufacturer/info. And then we've just got these remaining category items for the view, so I'll just change those all at once. And that's it, we're all done. So we should be able to see that on the front end of the store now, on the home page. Oh, we've got a wee problem here. Just fix that, line 7. Manufacturer href, manufacturer name, name and href. A little problem with my naming there. Ta-da! And there it is. It's working. There is a funny little problem there with the number of times it's showing, but that's possibly related to settings that I had in my database before. I won't look into that for this screencast. So, thanks for watching.